A missing update button for Blackout Bingo on the App Store usually means the App Store isn't currently detecting an available update for your device, so reinstalling the game is not the first fix to try. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the App Store, check compatibility, confirm your account, and determine whether the missing update is actually an App Store issue. First, open the App Store and search for Blackout Bingo directly instead of opening the game from your home screen. Open the official Blackout Bingo listing and check the button next to the app. If an update is available for your device, the App Store should show the update option there. If you only see open, pull down on the App Store page to refresh it. Then search for Blackout Bingo again and reopen its listing. This forces the App Store to check the current listing, instead of relying on an older cached page. Next, check your iPhone's software version. Open Settings, go to General, then About, and check iOS version. An app update can depend on the operating system version supported by the current release. If your iPhone has a compatible system update available, open Settings General, then Software Update and install it before checking Blackout Bingo again. Also, check your App Store account. Open Settings, tap your Apple account, then Media and Purchases, and review the account being used for App Store downloads. Make sure you're using the Apple account you normally use to download Blackout Bingo. If the App Store is showing an old version while other apps are updating normally, restart the iPhone and check the Blackout Bingo listing again. A restart can refresh App Store and system processes without removing the game. You should also check available storage under Settings General, iPhone Storage. If your iPhone has very little free space, create additional storage before trying to update the app. If Blackout Bingo still shows open, and you cannot find an update button, don't repeatedly delete and reinstall the game just to force an update. Reinstalling can create additional account or login steps without changing what version the App Store offers to your device. At that point, check the Blackout Bingo listing again later, or contact the game's support team. If you believe a specific update should already be available, give them your iPhone model, iOS version, and the version of Blackout Bingo currently installed. The main fixes are refreshing the App Store, checking iOS compatibility, confirming your Apple account, restarting the iPhone, and checking storage. Your practical next step is to open the Blackout Bingo App Store listing directly and refresh the page. If it still shows open, check your iOS version before doing anything else. If this fixed the missing update, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.